Factor a squared minus 9a plus 20. Because this is a trinomial and the leading coefficient's 1, we know the factorization is going to be a product of two binomials, a plus one number and a plus another number. And our goal is to figure out what those numbers are. But we know two things about those numbers. We know that their product has to be 20, and we know that their sum has to be -9. So we're looking for two numbers that have a product of 20 and a sum of -9. Now, I'm going to claim that those two numbers both have to be negative. Let me explain why. If these two numbers have a product that's positive, the only way we can get a positive product is if we have a positive times a positive or a negative times a negative. But if we want to have a negative sum, that's not possible if we had a positive times a positive. So the only possibilities we have to look for are a negative times a negative. So let's look at how we can get 20 as a product of two negative numbers. It's going to be -1 times -20, or -2 times -10. It's not divisible by -3, but it is divisible by -4. We've got -4 times -5. And you may have noticed that if we look at these numbers, their sum is -9. -4 plus -5 is -9. So those are our constant terms, -4 and -5, which means that our factorization is going to be a minus 4 times a minus 5. And that's our final answer.